Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate the simple process of removing a database within Notion. To begin, hover your cursor over the specific database you wish to remove. You will notice an icon with 3 dots representing the options menu. Click these dots to open the settings, then choose the Move to Trash option. This action sends your database directly to the trash folder. To locate it, navigate to the trash section on your sidebar and search for your database there. If it isn't immediately visible, give it a moment or use the search bar to find it. You might also try refreshing your browser page if it still hasn't appeared in the list. Once it shows up in the trash, you can choose to erase it permanently. Keep in mind that Notion automatically clears any items left in the trash for more than 30 days. To finish the process manually, select the database in the trash, click Delete from Trash, and confirm your choice by clicking Delete. Thanks for following along. If this was helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.